Hey, what's up people? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll show you how to optimize images for SEO. So we're going to be doing this using a coffee machine image for demonstration. So this is the image that we're going to optimize, and you can easily get free images from Unsplash. So this is downloaded from Unsplash, and the image belongs to this individual named Ronan. So let's get started. As you can see, we have the image here. So the first and foremost thing is to use this free tool called keywordtool.io. So this tool will give you great keywords that are relevant and that you can enter in the image to optimize it for the search engine results. So the first thing you have to do is just right click and go to properties, and in the properties make sure you go to details, and here you have to enter a title. So you can enter the targeted keyword that you're actually looking to optimize this image for. So let's say I'll enter coffee machine, and you can enter the same in the subject and give 5-star rating. And here in the tags, this is where you have to enter the relevant tags for this image. So to get this tags, just go back to this website and enter the targeted keyword here. I'll enter coffee machine, and this will give me some keywords. Again, guys, this tool will ask you to update for a pro version, but I don't think you need a pro version for basic optimization. So I'll select this keywords, coffee machine, this one, because this is the targeted keywords. Go back to the image and enter in the tags, and then I'll also select best coffee machine. This also looks like a good keyword to optimize. And then I'll select coffee machine automatic, this one, and then I'll select coffee machine Amazon, because most of the people are gonna search for Amazon, and if this image is found, they might end up on your website. This might drive traffic to your website, and that will convert into sales. You don't know. And like this, you have to select all the relevant keywords, and please make sure that you don't stuff a lot of keywords, because that will again confuse the search engines. And once you have done that, copy the same and paste it in the comments. And after pasting it in the comments, make sure you enter the author's name. So author's names can be found here. Just go back to general and copy this author's name and paste it over here. And that's it. Click on apply and click OK. Now let's go back to this image and see if this is updated. You can see our tags and comments are there. They are missing, so you have to do it all over again. I'll do it all over again. Just wait for a minute. Coffee machine and 5 stars and author, and that's it. Click on apply and hit OK. Now our image is optimized with these keywords. And once the image is optimized and you upload that image on your website or your product page, that image will drive traffic to your website because it is more discoverable on the internet. So we have just optimized coffee machine, and that image, once uploaded, will be discoverable here in this section on Google Images. So these are the ads, and here you can see we have some ads from Amazon and all these websites that are promoting this coffee machine. So that way all the traffic will be driven to your website or the product page for you to get more leads or sales. So for more videos on search engine optimization, you can check out my playlist over here. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.